Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the battery replacement process for your Dell P75F laptop, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you work in a well-lit area to see all components clearly. First, power down your laptop completely and unplug it from the electrical outlet. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located on the underside of the laptop. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once you have removed the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the cover, take a moment to observe the internal components. If you notice any dust or debris, use the soft cloth to clean the area, ensuring that your laptop remains in good condition. Now, locate the battery. You will see a connector attached to it. Carefully disconnect this connector by pulling it straight out from the socket. Do not pull on the wires, as this could damage them. Next, you will need to remove any screws securing the battery in place. Remember, keeping track of these screws is essential for reassembly. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If you find it difficult to remove, ensure that all screws are out and gently wiggle it free. Now, take the new battery and align it with the connector and the screw holes. Before inserting the new battery, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation if you need any further assistance. Simply let us know. Once the new battery is in place, secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the battery connector by aligning it properly and pushing it back into the socket until it clicks into place. Before reattaching the back cover, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel needed. If everything is working correctly, proceed to place the back cover back onto the laptop. Carefully align it and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert all screws to secure the back cover. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your Dell P75F laptop. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional help, we also provide a quote before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect before proceeding with any work. Enjoy a fully functional laptop once again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.